How to manage the archive in Opus Touch. The archive can be directly accessed via the home screen. Tap on the Archive button in order to open it. On the left, you can see the Archive browser, where you can navigate inside the archive structure. You can also create new archives from here. On the right, you can see the file area, where the contents of an archive are shown. It is empty now, since we are in the root position. On the bottom, there's a toolbar that currently only has one icon, but dynamically adapts depending on the position in the archive or the selected files. To create a new archive, tap on the plus button on top of the archive browser. Now you have the possibility to create a new local archive that will be created within the existing archive structure of Touch. Or you can create a file archive that can be located anywhere on the local drive or on a network drive. We will now create both archive types in order to see the difference. For the local archive, we only have to define a name. For the file archive, we also have to define a certain path. For demonstration purposes, our archive already contains data. As you can see, the icons of the two archive types are different. Furthermore, when you are inside of an archive, you can tap on the button next to the archive name in order to add folders, delete the entire archive, rename the archive, or change the permissions. Last but not least, you can also view details about the archive. You can see where the files of that archive are physically stored, how much free space exists on that drive, and you can share the folder on the network. On top, you can see the Home button that allows you to go back to the archive root with one single tap. Now you know how to manage archives in Opus Touch.